Yo, what's up, people? Welcome to another vlog. And yes, it is like what's the time? 7:17 in the morning. I woke up like 5:30. But anyway, it is freaking cold right now. We did a Bible study, and yeah, I'm focusing on my daily push-ups, like leveling up my strength. But yeah, it is day two, by the way. Uh, This time I'm gonna do it on camera. I did like 20 yesterday, like two times. Time to do 30 today. But before I start the push-ups, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button if you're not subscribed yet, and hit that like and subscribe, hit that like button to support the video. Yeah, I'll appreciate it. Let's get started. Okay, sorry for the bad lighting, but anyway, okay, I'm gonna try do 30. One, two, three, four. 30, oh my goodness. That counts. Whoa, uh, I'm freaking tired right now. I haven't done this much in a while. Oh my goodness. Yeah, it is all about the chest, but look them gains. Yeah, freak. I can feel it. Oh my goodness. It's rough, really. I'm still out of breath. One motivation, one motivational speech from Uncle Rian. If you're struggling with your dreams, okay, ask God for your help. Like, pray in the name of Jesus. Like, with the name of Jesus, everything will work out. I promise. Jesus is the reason why I'm like on my way to 600 subscribers. Yeah, jokes aside, uh, use the name of Jesus in every single prayer to help you work through your dreams. It would happen. And thank you guys so much for watching. It has been a very random vlog I just made, and yeah, I'm really tired. So thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys in the next video.